In the deepest parts of the ocean, where sunlight has never touched and pressure can crush steel like paper, something waits. A living trap, a floating illusion. Scientists call it an anglerfish. Sailors once called it the lure of the dead. This creature's story begins more than 100 million years ago, when dinosaurs still ruled the land and the oceans were warm, crowded, and violent. As mass extinctions erased giants from the seas, the anglerfish did something extraordinary. It didn't fight for dominance. It disappeared downward, into the dark, into a world so hostile that almost nothing else could follow. And there, evolution reshaped it into a nightmare perfectly suited for eternal night. The anglerfish looks like a mistake of nature, a massive head, jagged, translucent teeth curved inward like prison bars, and a body built less for speed than for ambush. From its forehead grows a glowing organ, a living lantern powered by bioluminescent bacteria. In the abyss, light means life. The anglerfish weaponized that instinct. It drifts motionless, wiggling its lure like a dying spark, until curious prey swims close enough to vanish in a single, explosive bite. Every movement is slow and deliberate. Energy is precious here. Food can be weeks, even months apart. The anglerfish survives by bending the rules of biology. Its stomach can stretch to swallow prey twice its size. Its bones are thin and flexible, resisting crushing pressure. Its blood chemistry functions where oxygen is scarce, and its senses are tuned not for sight, but for vibration, chemical trails, and the faintest flicker of light. Modern expeditions using deep-sea submersibles have caught brief, haunting glimpses of these animals. Scientists describe seeing the lure appear first, floating alone in darkness, followed by the sudden revelation of teeth and shadow. One researcher said it felt less like discovering an animal and more like being discovered. Perhaps the strangest adaptation is reproduction. Tiny males fuse permanently to the female's body, becoming living extensions of her bloodstream. In a world where finding another of your kind is nearly impossible, the anglerfish solved loneliness with biological unity. Legends speak of ghost lights and vanishing fishers. Science replaces myth with awe, yet questions remain. How long do these creatures live? How many species remain unseen? And what else survives below, waiting beyond the reach of our machines? The anglerfish is not a monster. It is a message, a reminder that life does not need light, warmth, or mercy to endure. In the endless black, it still glows.